Everyone, hope you're fine and doing great. Today I'm here with another new video in which I will tell you about the keyboard setting of your device Mi Note 11s. But firstly, if you're new to the channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move toward the video. In this video I will explain how you can change the keyboard setting or how you can do the keyboard setting of your device Mi Note 11s. Just follow the steps and watch complete video so you can understand about the keyboard settings of your device. Let's watch the video.